Hello dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Chemistry Aspirant. Now in today's lecture, we are going to learn about a formation of beryllium difluoride molecule by sp hybridization process. So now in the previous lecture, we have learned about different examples by the sp2 hybridization. So there we have follow a few steps, the same steps here we are also going to follow for the formation of your beryllium difluoride molecule. So now let us start with the formation of beryllium difluoride molecule. So the first step that we generally considered is the molecular formula for the beryllium difluoride. The molecular formula of the beryllium difluoride is BeF2. It means the beryllium difluoride molecule is formed from the one beryllium atom and the two fluorine atom, in which the beryllium is the central atom which undergoes the hybridization process. Let us consider ground state electronic configuration of the beryllium atom. Beryllium atomic number 4, so its ground state electronic configuration will be the 1s2, 2s2, then 2px0, 2py0 and 2pz0. So by observing this ground state electronic configuration for the beryllium atom, we know that beryllium contains no any unpaired electron. So the expected valency will be 0. But we know that beryllium form 2 bond with the 2 fluorine atom and hence the observed valency is 2. But here, after observing this ground state electronic configuration, we will conclude that the expected valency is not equal to the observed valency and hence there will be the excited state formation, which is our next step. So now in the next step, that is the excited state electronic configuration of the beryllium atom. So now here the one electron from the 2s atomic orbital of a beryllium atom by absorbing the energy get promoted to the vacant 2px atomic orbital and forms this excited state. In the excited state, now here the number of unpaired electrons is as we can observe in this diagrammatic representation. So now the expected valency will also be the 2, and now we know that here the observed valency will be equals to the expected valency and hence the excited state formation takes place. So now the next step is the hybridization. So here the one 2s atomic orbital and a one 2px atomic orbital containing unpaired electron having a different energy undergoes sp hybridization process and form a 2sp hybrid orbital with a equivalent nature with respect to their size, shape and energy. Now this process is actually the hybridization process I have shown in this diagrammatic representation. Generally in this diagrammatic representation, the hybridization process is shown by this dotted line. So after this hybridization process, we obtain the two sp hybrid orbitals. They lie in straight manner opposite to each other with a bond angle 180 degree. So this is a simple hybridization process. Now the next step is the bond formation step. So here fluorine atomic number 9. So its electronic configuration will be the 1s2, 2s2, 2px2, 2py2 and 2pz1. So in fluorine atom, the 2pz atomic orbital contain the one unpaired electron. So the 2sp hybrid orbital of a beryllium atom overlap with a 2pz atomic orbital of a 2 fluorine atom and form EF sigma bond, which lead to the formation of your barium difluoride molecule. So this is a simple bond formation step. Now the last step, that is geometry and the bond angle. The geometry is found to be linear or diagonal and the bond angle, that is FBF bond angle, is 180 degree that I have shown in this diagrammatic representation. So this is about a formation of your beryllium difluoride molecule. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next video.